Hi guys, if you've got fine hair, I'm going to show you how to take your bun from looking like this and transforming it to this beautiful full bun in just a few easy steps. To start, we're going to start with straight hair and just divide it in half down the back. Now clip the left hand side out of the way, and all we're going to do is pull all the hair on the right hand side up to the top of the head and secure it into a ponytail. Then just repeat on the left hand side. Now to make that part line disappear, just spray a little bit of hairspray and use a comb and just run it up the middle of the back of the head and then fix in place with some more Stronghold hairspray. Next, I'm going to add some dry texture spray all over those ponytails. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. Next, I've just taken a hair donor and cut it up a little bit, and I've just formed a little rectangle shape, and I'm just going to pop this between the two ponytails and secure it all the way around the outside with as many bobby pins as needed. Then I'm going to wrap another band around the ponytails, but on the last pull through I'm only going to pull it through part way to create a loop. And repeat that on the opposite side. And then we're simply going to put a few fingers through the middle of the left hand loop, grab that right hand loop and then pull it all the way through, and then stretch them out so they're sitting on opposite sides of the head. Then just secure it to that padding with as many bobby pins as needed, and if there's any gaps you can sort of manipulate the hair to cover them and pin them to the padding. And with those tail ends, just wrap them around a bobby pin and tuck them underneath the bun. Next, I'm going to use my fingers to pinch and pull at the bun to create more volume and texture. And as you're pinching and pulling, just secure it in place with some Stronghold hairspray. Once you've finished at the back, don't forget to do the same steps at the front, so pinch and pull and secure with hairspray. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.